Welcome back to my channel. My name is Alicia and this is Heart and Hand Creations and Events. Welcome back, guys. Today's DIY is going to be a stool makeover, and this is just a plain ordinary stool that I've had since 2005, and I just wanted to do a makeover on it with some fabric that I made a costume with for my daughter. I made a pair of chaps. She was Jessie from Toy Story. So with that extra fabric, I'm doing this seat over. And once my seat is removed from the frame, I just measure it to see how much fabric I would need for my seat. I do the same thing for the foam, which will be the cushion of my seat. And this is 1/2 inch foam that I'm just going to cut 2 pieces to make it a 1 inch thick. I also have batting that I will be using to measure out for my seat. The batting is what I use over the foam. It just smooths out the whole process. So right here, I begin putting all my pieces together for my seat. I start off by gluing the foam cushion to my seat. Once that's done, I go ahead and apply the batting. Right here, you'll see in a moment that I had a little bit of trouble with my equipment. The staple gun was not cooperating with me, guys. It worked for a couple of staples and then I had issues. But once I got it together, I was able to finish up putting my batting on and my fabric in place. Once I got that achieved, I went outside and I used the satin finish smoky beige Rust-Oleum spray paint on my frame. And guys, I did have to clean that frame off first. And once I put about 2 coats of the paint on, I went ahead and applied the clear acrylic. And here I'm putting a liner on the bottom of my seat because I didn't want all of that exposed. So I'm using hot glue to put my fabric in place. And that right there, guys, that I'm using for a lining is, oh gosh, what do you call it? Felt. Okay. Once I had that in place, I went ahead and marked the spaces where the screws go. Now that all my pieces are prepped, they are ready to be put in place. So right here, you see I'm just putting my frame and my seat together. And guys, once I've finished putting my screws in and putting my pieces together, this is the final result. Ta-da! Here it is, guys. What do you think? I think it turned out pretty good. I guess I could have the bar bracket around at the bottom, I could have painted that black. That would have broke up some of all of that beige. But anyway, guys, other than that, it's definitely a makeover for that seat. In the beginning, I did have a before picture, but for some reason, I guess I deleted that part of the footage, and that's why I had to jump right into the video. But guys, if you like the content that I put out today, give me a thumbs up for a like. Hit that subscribe button if you're new to my channel or a current viewer, and then tap that notification bell so when I come up with the next video, you will know. And guys, I will see you in the next DIY. Bye-bye.